now let us look at some of the GitHub professional questions that are asked most frequently. So, do all companies use GitHub? The answer is no. It depends upon the company and their needs, requirements. So, if company who are already using GitLab, so you might want to use GitLab then. If company is using already on GitHub, then you could use GitHub. And basically, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't give you any leverage. Which uh, which thing you use? It's already both are best on their own terms. So basically, uh, it depends on to your comfort. So now let us look at some of the important questions that are asked in GitHub professional life. So, do all company uses GitHub? The answer is no. It depends upon you. So basically, if your company is already using GitHub, so you might want to use GitHub. If your company is using GitLab, you might want to use GitLab then. And if your company is higher on budget, they don't care of the money, they might be using Bitbucket. So basically, you could use that. So basically, it depends upon the company preferences that what they use, and most of the things are same because it's based on Git. So the commands are all same, the things are same, the terminology are all same. So if you know GitHub, you won't have any difficulty in switching to the GitLab. Similarly, into the Bitbucket, and that's the thing. So it's depending on you. GitHub is not a industry standard. Similarly, it's depend upon to the company. Like company could use GitHub, GitLab, or any other Git based services. So basically, GitHub is basically a code sharing platform.